If you're looking for a budget-friendly meal that is using items you already have in your freezer, then you're going to love this one, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I am a plant-based RN. I follow a whole food, plant-based, no oil, gluten-free way of eating. And if that sounds good to you, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every week. Please follow me on Instagram for more plant-based content, and check out the links below for my e-guide, my newsletter, my Facebook group, and my brand new online course. So today I'm going to be making a hash brown veggie kind of a casserole. And this is so budget friendly because my freezer is always so stocked, and I love to buy things when they're on sale. And I've got some things in there, they've been in the freezer for quite a long time and I want to use them up. So I'm going to be using some frozen hash browns and some frozen mixed vegetables with my cheese sauce. We're going to mix it all together, put it in the oven. It's just going to soak up all the flavors. It's going to be delicious. So let me show you how I put it all together. So you want a nice big bowl. You're going to add in your frozen hash browns, which I just let sit out and defrost. It makes it easier to season when they're a little bit defrosted. This is about 4 cups, but this does not have to be exact, just close enough. This is almost 3 cups of frozen mixed vegetables, which I also did defrost. I just let it sit out. And these have been in my freezer for a while and I wanted to use them up. Then let's give this a stir. Oh my gosh, I'm so good at making a mess. I get a little aggressive on my stirring sometimes. And again, any kind of frozen veggies you want to use, if you just want to use peas and carrots, if you just want to use green beans, broccoli, whatever you'd like, this is what I'm doing today. Then we have a teaspoon each of salt, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. And we'll get this all incorporated. And please taste your food before you throw it in the oven. You want to make sure that it's seasoned correctly. You can always add more. Now I'm going to add in some of my cheese sauce. I'll leave the recipe below. And this is about close to 2 cups. So let's get this all incorporated. And while the potatoes cook, this is all going to get absorbed. And the potatoes are just going to be cheesy and creamy. And those vegetables will get coated with everything. You want to place this in a casserole dish, cover it with foil. I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes till it gets nice and bubbly. And then I will take the cover off and let it cook for another few more minutes. You could broil it for a bit if you want the top to get a little crispy. Now I'm using a 13 by 9 inch, so it's going to be a little thinner. If you want to make it a little, thicker, then use maybe an 8 inch or a 9 inch square pan. So you just want to kind of even it out. Not only is this budget friendly, it's also weight loss friendly. This is no oil, it's low fat, it's delicious. So let's get this in the oven. If you don't like using foil, then you could put parchment paper over it first and then the foil. All right, here we go, finished product. Came out perfect. All right, time for a taste. Of course, it's delicious. What could go wrong with potatoes, cheese sauce, and veggies? So satisfying. And here you've got your non-starchy and your starchy vegetables all in one. If you found value in this video, you liked it, you learned something, please give it a like and share it with your friends. I really appreciate it if you would. If you've made it this far in the video, then please comment below with Cheezy, and that's Cheezy with a Z. and that way I know you made it to the end of the video, and I really appreciate it. Remember, all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.